Hi friends, welcome to Arusuvai Arangetram. Here you can master cooking in just 5 minutes. Today I am going to make the South Asian mixed rice recipe popularly known as Biriyani. So let's get started with the ingredients. I have taken 2 finely chopped onion, 2 finely chopped tomatoes, cinnamon, cloves, bay leaf, ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon, salt 1.5 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, chilli powder 2 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, curd or yogurt 3/4 cup, lemon juice 2 tablespoon, chicken half kilo. I have washed the chicken and added 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and mixed well. Basmati rice 1.5 cup, few coriander and mint leaves, 5 green chillies. First let us coarsely grind the green chillies, coriander and mint leaves in a blender or a mixer. In a pressure cooker add 6 tablespoon oil. Add the whole spices. Add onion and saute for 5 minutes or until it turns translucent. When the onion is nicely cooked, add in the coarsely grinded mixture along with the ginger garlic paste and saute it for 5 minutes. Keep the stove in a low to medium flame throughout the process. Add tomatoes and cook until it is mashed well. Now add in salt, turmeric powder, chilli powder and coriander powder. Cook until the raw flavor of the spices goes off and oil oozes out. Add curd or yogurt and cook until the mixture turns thick and smooth. It may take 5 minutes. Add the chicken pieces and fry it for 2 minutes until all the chicken pieces get nicely coated with the masala. Add 1 cup of water and cook in a low to medium flame. At this point of time, you can soak basmati rice in water so that it will be soaked just for 10 minutes before we use it. It has been 10 minutes now. Chicken is nicely cooked. It's tender and soft as you see. Add 3 cups of water. The ratio is 1:2. For every 1 cup of rice, add 2 cups of water. Mix it well. I have already soaked the basmati rice for 10 minutes. So when the water starts boiling, strain and add the basmati rice into it. Mix the rice well. Add lemon juice and mix it again. Cook until 90% of water is absorbed. As you see, the water is evaporated. At this stage, close the cooker with a plate. Place a vessel with hot water above it. And now with this setup, cook for 10 minutes in low flame. After 10 minutes, you can turn off the stove, but do not disturb this arrangement for 15 more minutes. And here we have our delicious mouth-watering chicken biryani ready to be served. This biryani tastes awesome as it is, or it can be served with raita or brinjal curry. Please do try this recipe and let me know your comments and feedbacks. I have posted Hyderabadi chicken biryani, vegetable biryani recipes. Please visit Arusuvai Arangetram for more recipes. Share this recipe with your friends and family. For more videos, subscribe to Arusuvai Arangetram. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another recipe. Till then, happy cooking.